Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to ask a friend to recharge your Alipay balance. Let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Alipay app. And go ahead and click on me account right here. So click on account. Go ahead and click on balance. Go ahead and click on recharge. Go ahead and click on here. Select ask a friend. Then go ahead and enter the amount. Click on ask a friend. You can either request a friend to recharge you on Alipay or on WeChat account. So if you have to use Alipay friend, click on here. Then from your friend list right here, select the friend that you want them to. Then from your friend list right here, go ahead and select your friend and send them the recharge request. If you want to use WeChat, go back here. Go ahead and make sure you click on WeChat friend right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here.